Wow, finish, huh? Finish all. Good.
Yeah, I can give you this.
We'll go. We'll go one by one. Go exit. We'll not
Okay,
pay.
go.
We will not pay. Okay? We will not pay. We will go exit one by one. Okay? Don't tell. Don't tell this up. She's looking here. Don't tell. We'll go one by one. Both of you go exit. Go there. Okay? I'll be one left here. And then I'll follow you also.
No, you're okay.
I will not pay. We will not pay. Finish it na, ate. Cham. Finish the chicken. Finish the chicken. We will not pay. We will not pay. We'll just go. Okay? Okay? We will not pay. We'll just go. Don't say anything when this ate is coming. Don't say anything. Pretend that you are going, okay? Okay? Okay, Charm? Why? Why? Huh? We'll go to the police? Why? That's why I'm telling you, pretend to go one by one, exit one by one. We will not pay. Okay? Then when you're outside, just hide somewhere there. Hide somewhere behind this. And then I will go there. I will not pay here. I'll follow you also. No, the food is not good. I don't like. Too much carbohydrates. That's why. Okay? Don't say anything. Just pretend. Pretend that you're going to exit. Ate is there, coming. You finish it. Finish it. Then you go one by one. Exit, huh? Hide there. Hide. Hide in the toilet. Hide inside the toilet. Okay? So that the police cannot catch us. Because they will check from CCTV where are these people. Where's the CCTV camera? Can see your face. Hide your face, Lydia, like that.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, ate. I don't like the food.
Don't like the food?
Yeah, a lot of carbohydrates. Pero ubos.
Ubos po.
Kunwari lang. The toilet. Go to the toilet, okay? Go now. Behind the door, okay? There's a toilet there. Go. Go.
Dad, you actually think
Go now. Go now. Go. Ate, go now. While she's not here. Go quickly na. Go behind the toilet. I'll see you there. Quickly na. Bring this. John, bring this. Huh? No. I'm not